about the fame, cause I know that.
Jit, you be freestyling?
Yeah.
Freestyle. Go ahead, freestyle. Huh? Huh? What? Yeah.
What dog snapping? Take off on him. Y'all ain't gonna freestyle, Jit? Take it off.
Look at Jit, yeah. Jit hey, you gonna be like OJ Juice, man.
Hey, okay.
Y'all ain't gonna freestyle?
You know her, bro?
Nah, I can't rap, man.
You do?
I just like to write, portray my life, do these rap songs up in the game, trying to make a little change, living life day by day, I'll be trying to make a name. Writing rhymes on the waterfront, scheming up some ways to make a milli like I'm Donald Trump, was raised by my daddy, so all I know how to do is start walk money.
We out of here. Look at him. Who that bit in the car with? Man, that bit deep, my boy. Look at him.
No reefer, I just smoke these rappers. I only act for GRC cause there's too many actors. Been spitting flames since I was J-High. Girls used to hate
Straight
on
up.
me. Now they
Busted.
wanna say hi. I drive in that Porsche Panamera and I just...
Hey, put this in there, my boy. Look at him. 2 1/4 brick. Look at him. That bitch not playing. That bitch.
Like, you ain't never seen your boy looking this fly. Out living like a prince and I feel inside.
Shout out to Wiz Khalifa, man. The whole Taylor gang. TGOD. It's your boy Tyzilla. Coonhead ENT. Hell yeah, we ready to bang. Shout out to LIL. My dog, he love this fame. Sit back and love to kill. I ain't even tripping that pine, I still. Fuck nigga, you know I keep it too real. These niggas all fake, don't know who to trust. I keep my snoker small. Fuck you putting niggas in the game. I ain't even tripping, fucked up on the beat, so I gotta catch it, man. I ain't tripping. What you talking about? That big 9 is what I'm gripping. Yeah. These niggas can't see me. Tryna tell them Coonhead ENT about to be at the top with the shirts and the hats. Ain't even finna rap. I'ma gon' hit the trap. You know what it be. On the block with them dimes and them Saks G's. You know who I be. It's your boy Tyzilla, baby. You already know I got a red bone lady. Hey, I stay up on the tracks. Puss ass niggas. I got them goons at my back. Yeah. And we got artillery, I ain't even tripping, came down with a G. Russian bombs, that a nuke ya. I ain't playing my nigga, I do ya. In the booth I go hard, you better ask about me. Boy, I go hard in the paint and in the streets. On blunt is where I be. You better ask them, fuck the niggas who jump me. I go hard, you better ask about Tyzilla, man. See, I dud lane swing, but west side where I reside, ready to ride, and I ain't even tripping. Hide your ass, and I ain't tripping. I come down in the stash. I got them stacks, I got them racks. I'm dropping tracks, and you know it's coming soon. Mixtape, bitch, you better hear me. Ooh.
These rap songs and take me sky high. Just know that I'm that guy, baby. You ain't gotta ask why.